Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Wednesday 13th of July. And we've had the three black rows been made. We've lost the trend line, and this is something that I actually did bring to you on your notice. The thing is, you came down, you're now bouncing off the 0.618. You pretty much are bouncing off it. That's pretty good. But the thing is, I want to see the volume of this bounce to the upside, if the volume is going to show itself. There's no information of the volume. What the hell? Yeah, here we are. But the volume is not really there. You made such a little bit of a big green candle, not too big, but you still did not put a good volume along with it. So no support at all. Just want to remove all the drawings, and so we can have a picture clear scenario of what is about to happen next, really. So first of all, this is a refresher. You did have this trend line that you lost. So that was the trend line you're looking for, and you lost the trend line completely. You're still looking to come down basically at this level, 340, 338, and probably even move way lower. The thing is that you do have three black rows right now, and that's continuation pattern, just like you had it right over here, and you made a little bit of a push and then you went down, right? So that's exactly what you're doing. You just came down, made a little bit of a push, and then you're looking to go even way more down. Something really tells me, like, was this always a bear flag? This one right over here. Was this always a bear flag that you never really invalidated? And probably SLP could be on a journey to go way more lower because of that bear flag that you didn't invalidate, and you're looking for SLP to come to 252. It can really happen. Something like that can really happen because, again, I'm just gonna leave you with this one right here, that a reversal wave is something that I still expect somehow. And you can see that bear flag really takes you near that reversal wave technical target of 241. So what I'm going to leave you with is, you want to check this level, put a big check. It's not a good idea to trade it. It wasn't a good idea to trade it even from yesterday's video that I was talking about, because you still have a very bad continuation pattern, and it's dangerous to even touch. It's like that dialogue was invented when they said play with fire and you're going to get burned. So you're pretty much going to play with fires. The only thing to do to play with fire and not get burned is you actually come up here and break the highest part of that three black rows to continue higher, or maybe the safe zone will be break that resistance and hold it like a boss to continue higher. And that's it for this SLP video update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.